Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Expand and collect similar terms. So 2 minus x square multiplied by 2 plus x square, 4 minus x to the power 4. Now in order to expand this, we observe these two terms. These two terms look like this: a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we can use identity here: a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this will equal to this. So here a is 2 and b is x square. So that will be 2 square minus x square square, 4 minus x to the power 4. This is using a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now here 2 square is 4, x square whole square is x to the power 4. So this is 4 minus x to the power 4 multiplied by 4 minus x to the power 4, which can be written as 4 minus x to the power 4 whole square. Now we will expand this using identity. 4 square minus 2 into 4 into x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 whole square, using a plus b whole square equal to a square plus a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 4 is 8, x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 whole to the power 2 is x to the power 8. So expansion is this. Answer is option D.